What's cracking, YouTube? Back with another episode from trenches to the riches, y'all. Listen, and the market is going crazy, y'all. There's a whole bunch of he say, she say, and this, that, and the third going on. It's like going crazy. Like, my portfolio is red. Everybody's portfolio is red today, alright? Like, things is going crazy. Not only with the US government, but you got the new COVID variant going around. There's so much things going on. Jerome Powell don't know if he want to start tapering early and stop giving out this free money to the market and things like that, or he don't know if he needs to give money to the market. Like, he just don't know what he's doing. Like, at this point, like, the government don't know if they want to taper or what, or raise interest rates or what. Like, what is they gonna do? All right, like, the government is just like, they are lost in the sauce right now. Like, it's a whole bunch of, he's saying one thing, then another thing. Then you got COVID cases going down, then you got COVID cases going back up, then you got new COVID cases, new variants of COVID cases, and you got, it's just a bunch of things going in the market right now, y'all. And y'all see what's going on. If you into any type of growth stocks, high tech stock, your portfolio is red. Everybody's losing money right now. On the paper loss, not actually losing money unless you're selling and locking in them losses. Then yeah, you're losing money. But everybody's losing money right now. So let's take a look at my portfolio, okay? Now you can see down $1,200 again today. Another day of red, alright? Another day of red, right? On the month, on the 3 month, we up 4,000. On the month, we're down $8,400, alright? On the year, we're still up 8,000. As you can see, my portfolio still peaked at almost 20,000. We were about to hit the 8. We basically hit 79,000 in total market cap. All right, and that has came back down. All right, you can see the trend line come back down. Now, what you could do, the market is looking so juicy. Now, I'm so mad because, like I said, I'm not throwing no more money into the market until the beginning of next year. I did my part. I had my 50K challenge goal to have 50K in the market. I got that goal. Feel me? Now I have to take care of priorities in real life. Things happen, okay? But if you have some extra money on the side, I will just not financial advice. I'm just telling you what I would do with my money, alright? I will go shopping now. Like I always tell you, I will nibble. I will never just go all in all at once. YOLO, you only live once. Let me throw 5,000 in at once, 10,000, 20,000, 50. Like, feel me? People they just throw everything in at once. They don't know what nibble mean. You gotta really tell people to nibble. All right, nibble. All right, cause things may get worse. All right, and sometimes when you don't have money in the market and you looking at and the stocks is falling, you like, oh, these are such good juicy prices. This, that, and the third. It may get worse. So you might be rushing to get money, might go to work, do overtime, might get a second job, and it might be better for you because prices are still falling. So instead of you catching a falling knife, there's a better chance that you catching the bottom, right? Like I did on a lot of plays. And you see a lot of my plays is I got everything basically at the bottom, all right? And we're gonna continue to do that. We're gonna continue to dominate because once all this turn around, as you can see in this chart, once I was down 6,000 and down 3,000 for months there and there, you see how quickly it exploded. All right, y'all see, I was waking up to $4,000 in profit, $5,000 in profit every other day, 3,000. Every day was a green day, okay? But you want to prepare for those in times like this. This is when you want to hop in your bag and do what you do and do what we do as a team, all right? Now, I'm a hop into my Robinhood portfolio where the charts is easier for y'all to see, okay? Just to put some things on your watch list, guys. Just to let y'all see what's going on. We got some good stocks that's in buy zones, okay? Now today in the market was necessarily down. Some things went flat, all right? As you can see, it was a green day for some stocks, but not necessarily as green day as going to the moon, just not in the negative, all right? That's still, it's basically a flat day. Now you got C3 AI, right? C3 AI, artificial intelligence, all right? This is a stock I'm looking forward to having in the future. I'm looking for any more weakness, okay? This stock was all the way up to, it's down 69% on the year, okay? This stock peaked at, let's see, $161, alright? Kathy Wood is heavy on this stock, artificial intelligence. If you guys don't know what the stock is, basically it's a technology for, you know, self-driving, you know, making the robots. You know, they plan on making these things for the future, having robots do labor work to help the economy. That's a deflation thing. We don't have that many workers, we need more workers, but we have robots out here doing things for the economy that's better, and it costs less money to just have a robot instead of paying a real human, all right? Because we need these things on everything like that, right? We got NNDM down, in the buy zone down 31% on the month, 3 months, down 26% on a year, okay? You can see 5 years ago, this was a big time stock, all the way up to $67, right? Big time. If that was to go back to $67, woo, that's like a 20-50x from here, alright? I'm just letting y'all know. So this company got potential. Do your research, find out what this company is if you would like to know, alright? You got some good companies, and you got the AMC. I already know all my apes. All my apes, if y'all don't know what that means, that's the diamond hands that's holding strong, ready for this big explosion for AMC to shoot the 300, 500 to take that hedge fund money, alright? Y'all already know what's going on with that play. Tattoo Chef, I spoke about this the other day. This is in the buy zone, okay, guys? Anytime this is under 17, 16, 15, 14 or $13 is a joke, alright? That's called reload the boat over there. Alright, we call load the boat. Square, this is another one I told y'all. Look out for this one. If this is under $200, this is a joke, okay? This is a joke, alright? 185. Don't let it hit 150, y'all. Don't let a month go past and start the next year coming. It's at 150. Y'all know what I'm gonna do. Alright, you know how we gonna get in our bag over here. What else? What else is Tesla is down on the day? Well, it had a flag day. Didn't really do nothing. Lemonade, okay, Lemonade had a decent day for Lemonade, all right? It's still down 29% on the year. This stock was sitting at $172 a share, right? That's basically a 4x. It dropped 4x from where it would be at, right? NEO, y'all already know y'all got what's going on with the Chinese government. They so control of their Chinese stock, this, that, and the third. They're just jealous of the U.S. Let's just put it like that, all right? But I'm not folding on NEO. This is my only Chinese company I'm holding. I'm holding this for the long term, guys. Understand, this is a storm. This is a roller coaster. This will be a thing of the past when you hold. Now, listen to me when I say this. If you don't have no money to buy the debt, stop looking at your portfolio. Stop waking up every morning looking at your portfolio. Put yourself out your misery, people. Stop doing it. You're just hurting yourself. Stop looking. Now, if you have money to buy that's the only reason why you should be looking at your portfolio. If you have money to buy the debt, because you're looking like, ooh, what I'm about to buy, what company I love, what company has a good PE ratio, okay? What company I'm about to buy, okay? So that's the only thing you should be looking at if you have cash, all right? Any other than that, there's no reason for you to be looking. You just watch your money go down, and you probably gonna make an emotional decision, which is gonna be a bad decision. Cause 3, 4, 6 months, a year from now, you're gonna be looking like, wow, I had this price at this stock, and I was down this much, and it exploded to this much. Like, okay, guys, so you just want to stay 10-toe down in times like this, all right? This is just a storm. This is a short-term, temporary thing, okay? Stocks may continue to go down for the short term. Is a buying opportunity, y'all. It's giving y'all some time to load the boat, all right? Load the boat is giving y'all some time. This is not financial right to saying what I'm gonna do, okay? Now, another episode from Trenches to the Riches, y'all. Listen, let's get this money.